let's go to Kiwi. Be awfully similar to the Aussie dollar, and in this case, you can see the two equal legs. I'm thinking that 1, 2. This is a big 3. I'm thinking we've got more of a 4-wave or a 4th wave sideways move here from the high last week. That doesn't mean you could still come back down to like 71. In fact, if you threw up a fib from here to here, your 38.2 is right there at 70.90. So that's in line, with proposed with relationships and the guidelines of Elliott. So there's nothing to do here. You're in the middle of a chop fest, but basically 71-ish proposed support, proposed resistance. Again, like Aussie, is a little bit higher, and that's going to be like 72.50. In fact, if this was the low a couple days ago for this 4th wave, then wave 1 would equal wave 5 at 72.52, which again is a common relationship. So just at this point, know the channel. Now, if I zoom out a little bit more, right, this is a really bullish setup on a bigger picture. You can see this big low here with a tight high right shoulder neckline, right? That's exactly where we bottomed back in August, and then you've got this wedge that we broke out up to the top side. If we do get that 5-wave move up and pull back, you'd be looking eventually for support maybe on the top side of this. So again, that could take a while to play out, but that is something to pay close attention to on a longer term basis. And as we go back to our trusty VWAP stuff here, I will note that that low in August was also right on volume weighted average price anchored VWAP from the March 2020 low, from that COVID panic low, if you will, right? So, and this kind of fits, by the way, this New Zealand dollar setup on a longer term basis really fits, if you will, with my call it a bias if you want, but like the fact that the dollar, we had that big move down into the beginning of this year or middle of this year for some other currencies, and then we got the correction. And I do think the dollar rally is a correction. The question is, has it completed yet, or do we have one more little pop? So it fits with having the dollar maybe on a longer term downtrend, and Kiwi might be kind of trying to lead the way out of that again, given this longer term setup. So, and it would make sense, I guess, if you think about it from a inflationary standpoint. Look at the big exports for New Zealand, right? You've got, people forget about lumber, but and meat, and those prices have gone through the roof. So, their central bank might be doing a little more a little earlier. People maybe aren't really thinking about that yet. All right, so